So check it out. Here's another Marx handcar I was able to restore. I had to clean up the wiper pickups and also the wheels. I polished them. And I also had to put a pump handle on it, was missing it. But I wanted to use this red one because I found these Lionel figures. These were the last ones I've been looking for. Minnie with the purple dress, and she's only got one handle on the pump, and Mickey's one doing all the work. It's really cute. I've done some other ones, some Christmas Mickey and Minnie, and I think there's a Hallmark one that I did. These are from Lionel. I found them on eBay from Trains. She's only $3, and I think Mickey was only $6 or $7, so Trains has them both right now available, so if you want to do your own. And they look really good on the Marx handcar because they're a little bit bigger. The Lionel handcars are a lot smaller, so to me they look oversized. But anyway, I've got them on here. I'm hoping Lionel might come out with some new figures. Love to see some like M&Ms or something like that. But for now, we'll run these, so here we go. And there's another one that I've got. I want to use at the train shows. I know the kids readily recognize these characters, so here we go. Take it for a spin. This one runs really good, too. And we'll turn the camera a little bit more this like that. See, it runs really smooth even at slow speeds. And we'll kind of pick the camera up this time around and follow them around a little bit. You see this, again, this is a great running handcar. I've been able to do quite well with these. I know some guys aren't too impressed with them, but I really like them. Usually if you put new motor brushes in them, it really makes them run pretty good too, but these already had good brushes, so. And we'll set the camera back this time around. Catch it on the way by. And we'll give him one more lap. It helps get those handcar figures broken really well too. Alright, runs great. I really like the Lionel figures on these because I like the Marx handcars anyway. So thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.